Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into Bet365 account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up a web browser. Now in the URL box, type in www.bet365.com. Bet365 is an online gambling company offering sports betting and casino type games. Once you end up in the official web page, click the login link in the top right corner. This will bring up a pop-up menu where you can easily enter your username and password associated with your Bet365 account. Now enter your valid username and your correct password as well. If you don't have an account yet, then click on the Join Now button and follow the instructions till the end in order to register yourself first. And if you're having trouble remembering your credentials, then click on this Having Trouble Logging In link. After filling in your details, click in the Login button to access your Bet365 account. And that is how you can sign into Bet365 account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.